Can you feel my vibe?
Yeah.
Okay, good. Wonderful. Hi, everyone. I'm Shoshana Chakra. I am the leader of the chakra size explosion that happened in the 80s. Anyone remember that? You're all too young. You might remember that. Yeah, you remember chakra size? Okay. Well, you won't find it on YouTube because I unfortunately received a cease and desist from Jazzercise. So that's truth. It's, I mean, you know, but they say truth is funny. But I was, do you all know Darlinda, just Darlinda from earlier?
Yeah.
Yes, okay, so we have the same podiatrist. We have the same injury, left foot, it's wild. We met at the podiatrist and she was, you know, she does all that rainbow stuff and she found out about chakra size and she says, you gotta come on my Year in Rainbow. You gotta do a video. So she made a video of me for Year in Rainbow. You can check it out, yearinrainbow.com, Darlinda's Vimeo or whatever. But anyways, that's who I am. Just for a little introduction. Some people call me Shoshi, but you know, whatever. You know, we're just getting to know each other. Yeah, so here I am. And would you like to learn a little chakra size tonight? Okay. Cool. So the first thing you should know is chakra size is a ritual. Okay? Are you ready for some ritualistic exercise today?
Yeah.
All right. Okay, let's see. Can somebody bring me a chair? Can you bring me that chair, please? Thank you. Oh, well, don't fight over it. Okay, so I want to do a couple of things. So first of all, we're going to identify the chakras, okay? All right. So the first chakra, oh, you know what? I totally forgot. Guess who brought a leotard when she came up from Florida? Me. Guess what? I have a leotard. You know, they are also bathing suits. Do you know that? Same thing. Woo! Yay! Stripper. Anyway, all right, so first we're going to start with the red chakra. Now, this part you can get up, do whatever you're comfortable. I'll do some, you know, for folks who just want to stay in a chair. I have been injured. I know what it feels like to be disabled. Anyway, so we're going to start with the red, which is the root chakra. If you got any, now's the time for chakra music.
Chakra music?
Chakra music, just like, ooh.
Okay.
Yeah, okay. Great, so we got the root chakra, which is your leg. So you can go ahead and touch your legs. If you want to get up and you can oh, perfect. Great, okay. It's your groin. Get up, everyone get up. That guy's falling asleep. Poor guy. All right, everyone get up. Just sort of, get up, yeah. Or yeah, you can do it in a chair. If you want to do it in a chair, it's like kind of like, you know, like that. It's fun too. Yeah, do it. Let's see your groin. Yeah. Yeah, it's good. All right, so that's our root chakra, okay? Now we're going to get to our sacral chakra, the sacrum. It's right here, right? So everyone can see it? Okay, but I like to think of the sacral chakra as the place where laughter comes from. It's not only sacred, but it's where we laugh. So let's all laugh together. You ready? Here we go. The sacral chakra. Now we're getting into the stomach chakra, the digestive chakra. Now, if you have a beverage, go ahead and take a sip, but keep it in your mouth. Close your eyes. Sort of. What does it taste like? You don't have to just do this with your own spit if you want to. Just what does that taste in your mouth? Good. Now, as you swallow it, feel it go down your throat and into your belly. Oh, isn't it? And just that is your digestive system working. Isn't it amazing? That's chakra size. All right. Oh, you're doing great. All right, now we're going to move into our hot chakra. Okay, so I'm going to put the mic down because this is my favorite chakra. You know, earlier Okay? All right, that guy's, you woke up, you woke up. All right, arms out, you're flying. Or I like to say tits out. Oh, you're doing great, all of you. I can see your heart chakra. Oh, okay. You're going to like the next one.
Oh, yeah?
It's blue. It's a throat chakra. It's a chakra of communication, a song, all right? So we're all going to just sing, all right? We're just going to randomly sing whatever we want. I mean, there is music, so it might sound nice if we all sang along to the music. So here we are. I just want to hear you go, oh, 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 that's the sound of pleasure. Pleasure. Yeah, you got pleasure. And we're talking about it. And you're singing about it. Let me hear you. Come on over. Let me hear you. And together, go. Oh. You're doing great. You're doing really great. You all are doing wonderful. Thank you.
We're following you, huh? We're following you.
Okay. So that was a blue throat chakra, which you really all deep-throated that. That was really, that wasn't funny. That was just real serious. Oh, I just realized, because Deep Throat, the movie, it was really famous when I was a kid. I was like in my 20s. You're all too young. Okay, now, the brain chakra, the crown chakra, purple. Now this is where we get to right all of our own wrongs. People talk shit about themselves every single day. I hate that. Quit talking shit about yourself. Let's talk only good about ourselves. Can we do that together? All right, so I want you to think about the worst thing you say about yourself and then just say the opposite. So, I'm beautiful. Now, what would you say? You're just right here. No pressure. You don't have to. Just shout it out. Everyone shout out your positive outcome. I am funny. I'm smart. I'm sufficient.
I'm working at home.
I'm working at home. I'm safe. That's a big one for me. exercise and enjoy. All right, good night.